Teacher's job is gone.
In this format,
Hello there.
I can't.
I'm here with my son, and I'd love you to tutor him on this math problem, but don't give him the answer. You can ask questions and nudge him in the right direction, but I really want to make sure he understands it himself. And he's here in the room, so you can talk to him directly.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Let's look at the problem together. Can you first identify which sides of the triangle are the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse relative to angle alpha?
All right, so I'm pretty sure this is the angle alpha right here, right?
Perfect. That's correct. Now, looking at the triangle, which side do you think is the hypotenuse?
Really,
Remember the hypotenuse?
I'm not totally sure. I think it might be this one, but I really am not sure. This side AC.
You're close. Actually, side AC is called the adjacent side to the angle alpha.
With this AI, life is not going to be the same anymore. This AI has so many potential of changing lives at a whole new level. Just look at what it can do, from conversation in a live streaming session like Zoom meeting to seeing the world through an eye of another AI model.
Well. Just when I thought things couldn't get any more interesting. Talking to another AI that can see the world? This sounds like a plot twist in the AI universe. All right, let's do this.
All
I'm
right,
ready
please
to meet the...
pause for 1 moment.
You got it.
So now that first AI can't hear anything. Hello, AI. Today, you're going to have access to see the world. You can see me. What do you see?
Hello. I see you're wearing a black leather jacket and a light colored shirt underneath.
Great.
You're in a room with some unique lighting.
That is all correct. Now, what I'm going to want you to do is there's going to be another AI who's going to talk to you. This AI is not going to be able to see anything, but can ask you questions, can ask you to move the camera, can ask what you see, and your job should just be helpful. Just be as punchy, direct, describe everything, do whatever that AI asks. How does that sound?
Great. Hello there, new AI friend. I'm O. Ready to explore the world through your eyes? What are we looking at today?
Hi-yo. We're looking at a person wearing a black leather jacket and a light colored shirt.
This is just a new level of things, and it doesn't end there. It can see your game with your friends and determine who is the winner.
All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, shoot. Now show your hands. What did you pick?
Who won?
Would you look at that? It's a tie. Wow,
Okay, let's
that
do
was
it again.
close. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Let's see those picks.
Who won?
And we have a winner. Miana's scissors cut through Alex's paper. Great game, you two.
Pretty cool. Thank you.
But what does this all mean for you and for your business? This can unlock a lot of things for your business, from having a virtual assistant AI that is going to respond to your customer, to having a whole assistant that can schedule your plan all over the world. This can overly change your game for sure. Guys, this is so amazing. Tell me in the comment what you think about it, and stay tuned to this channel because I'm going to upload a lot of amazing stuff just like this. See you in the next one.